What if I told you the Nigerian government is offering youths up to 5 million naira? No collateral, no guarantor, flexible repayment. And it applies to workers, business owners, and even NYSC members. This is not a rumor. This is not social media hype. This is a real federal government program. It is called YouthCred, and in the next few minutes, I will break it down clearly. Who qualifies, how much you can get, how repayment works, how to apply, and the mistakes you must avoid. Stay with me. If you are between 18 and 39 years old, this video matters to you. If you struggle with capital, if loan sharks scare you, if online lenders have trapped people you know, this may be one of the most important opportunities this year. Let us get straight into it. What is YouthCred? The federal government of Nigeria has launched a new credit scheme called YouthCred. It is managed by the Nigerian Consumer Credit Corporation, also known as CREDICORP. The goal is simple: help young Nigerians access responsible credit, support productivity, reduce dependence on loan sharks, and help youths build a formal credit history. According to the government, over 400,000 young Nigerians are expected to benefit. This is not a grant, it is a loan. But it is designed to be safer, cheaper, and more transparent than most options out there. Who is eligible? Let us clear this first. You can apply if you are between 18 and 39 years old, and you fall into any of these groups. Employed youths. This includes people working in the public sector or private companies. Young entrepreneurs. If you run a business, small or growing, you are eligible. NYSC members. Core members have special loan options under the scheme. So yes, if you are serving, if you are employed, if you run a business, you can apply. How much can you get? Loan amounts under YouthCred range from as low as 5,000 naira to as high as 5 million naira. The exact amount you get depends on your category, your income or business cash flow, and your repayment capacity. You are not forced to take the maximum. You can start small and grow. And this is important. If you repay on time and complete the required financial training, your loan limits can increase over time. Loan repayment terms. This is where YouthCred stands out. Repayment is flexible, from 1 month to 12 months. For employed youths, repayment may be deducted directly from your salary. For NYSC members, repayment is structured to fit allowance schedules. For young entrepreneurs, repayment is aligned with business cash flow. Interest rates are low, they are government-backed, and all terms are clearly stated from the beginning. No hidden charges, no surprise penalties, no confusing fine print. This matters. Special loan products under YouthCred. YouthCred is not one single loan. It has different products for different people. First is corper credit. This is designed for NYSC members. Short-term loans, quick access, simple repayment. Next is the YouthCred card. This is for young professionals. It works like a flexible credit solution for everyday needs. Then there is Youth Entrepreneurs Credit. This is for business owners to expand operations, buy equipment, or stabilize cash flow. Each product is tailored, so you are not forced into a one-size-fits-all system. How to apply? The application process is simple. You visit the official YouthCred website, you fill a short online application form. Verification is done digitally, often within minutes. There is no collateral, no guarantor, and once approved, funds are sent directly to your bank account. This is key. You do not need land, you do not need connections, you do not need to know anybody. Just meet the requirements. Why this matters for Nigerian youths? Let us be honest. Many Nigerian young people struggle because of lack of capital. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack ideas. Loan sharks exploit this. Unregulated digital lenders trap people with high interest. Miss one payment and the harassment begins. YouthCred is designed to change that. It helps you access credit responsibly. It helps you build a credit history. It prepares you for larger financial opportunities in the future. This is how economies grow, not through fear, but through structured access to capital. What you must be careful about. Now listen carefully. This is still a loan, not free money. You must borrow what you can repay. Use it for productive needs, business, education, essential expenses. Do not borrow to impress. Do not borrow for unnecessary lifestyle spending. Late repayment will affect your credit profile. Early repayment builds trust, and trust gives you access to more opportunities later. Think long-term. Frequently asked questions. Who is eligible? Anyone aged 18 to 39 years old who is employed, runs a business, or is an NYSC member. Loan amount, from 5,000 naira to 5 million naira. Interest rate, low and affordable, government-backed. Repayment, 1 to 12 months. Salary deductions for workers, structured plans for entrepreneurs and core members. Is there training? Yes. Completing financial training helps increase your loan limit. Final thoughts. YouthCred is not perfect, but it is a step in the right direction. If used well, it can help thousands of young Nigerians stabilize their finances, grow businesses, and escape predatory lending. If used carefully, the choice is yours. Finally, here is the key takeaway. The federal government has launched YouthCred to give Nigerian youths real access to credit. If you are between 18 and 39 years old, you can apply for loans from 5,000 up to 5 million naira. No collateral, no guarantor. The scheme targets employed youths, NYSC core members, and young entrepreneurs. Repayment is flexible. It can run from 1 to 12 months, depending on your category. Interest rates are low and backed by the government. The goal is simple. Help young Nigerians solve real financial problems, grow businesses, and build a formal credit history. This also reduces dependence on loan sharks and unregulated lenders. Applications are done online. Verification is fast. Funds go straight to your bank account once approved. If you repay on time and complete financial training, your loan limit can increase. YouthCred is not free money. It is responsible credit. Used well, it can help you move forward financially. If this video helped you understand YouthCred better, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, subscribe for more clear breakdowns of opportunities like this one, and tell me in the comments, would you apply for this loan and what would you use it for? Thanks for watching.